Alright, sit down. Look at me, I want to take a video of you. Tell me what your name is. What's your whole name?
This.
You're 3?
Yes.
And what's your name? Is that your whole name?
Yes.
Or is it Constantina? And who's your mommy?
Little mommy.
And where's your daddy?
I don't know. He's the daddy.
And who do you miss?
No, my God. Oh my God, Molly.
Do you miss Grandma?
No, she stays at her house.
But do you miss her?
Well, she stays at